The state of Chhattisgarh, located in the heartland of India, is beginning to draw people to hear the heartbeat that emanates from its capital city, Naya Raipur. And listening closely to this heartbeat are not only people from the heartland, but also from regions around it. Just as a healthy and robust heart is vital for the proper functioning of various organs in the body, Naya Raipur is fast becoming the hub to provide high-quality cardiac care to children of financially needy families. It is on the lap of Naya Raipur. Tender hearts beat to the rhythm of love. Love that is like none other. Love that gives. Love that is selfless. Love that is pure. And love that is unconditional. So, what is that love?
Value that sustains us, that enables growth, that furthers progress and unifies the nations of the world is love. The heart is where Sri Sathya Sai believed is the origin, the source of love.
Here on this land, as a manifestation of love from Sri Sathya Sai Baba, stands a beacon of love and hope. A high-quality heart care specialty hospital for children, Sri Sathya Sai Sanjeevani.
Sri Sathya Sai Sanjeevani is institution of service which cares for the sick by providing them the much needed health for their well-being, sustenance and progress. Over 250,000 children die every year in this country for lack of basic cardiac care. Sri Sathya Sai Sanjeevani is an humble attempt to bring light and life to those tiny tots, to those little children of God.
शुरू जब आए हम लोग कि चिंता में पड़ गए थे, कैसा होगा यहाँ के 2-3 दिन के बाद यहाँ के रहना खाना मतलब आना जाना सब कुछ जैसे एडजस्ट हो गया, अब महसूस ठीक है मतलब.
We have had several incidents here. A lot of children who would not have otherwise survived, but for maybe the presence of Swami, they have really made it.
कैमरा आगे देखिए साईराम का बेटा, साईराम का.
Saurav was a tetralogy patient to begin with. We call it as a tetralogy of Fallot.
जब वो पैदा से 3 महीने के बाद इतना रो रहा था कि कंटिन्यू 3 घंटा से 4 घंटा रोता था.
The anatomy was very complex.
2 साल हो गया तो यहाँ के बारे में पता चला.
We had planned for a procedure wherein we put an artificial conduit from one of the chambers.
2 दिन ऑपरेशन था इसका. कंटिन्यू 2 दिन मतलब एक दिन तो पूरे चले गए, दूसरे दिन फिर ऑपरेशन हुआ.
The child was shifted out of the theatre to ICU, quite stable, but then slowly his heart started to fail.
उसके बाद उसको बहुत तेज बुखार हुआ.
But then he started developing some complications related to infection and kidney failure. On day 3 his kidney has totally failed. Blood pressure was quite low. We lost almost all hopes. The only hope was Swami.
भगवान के भरोसे, बाबा की कृपा होगा तब बच्चा ठीक होगा.
So we initiated peritoneal dialysis with very low pressures, which would not have worked otherwise. But I don't know what was a miracle in this child. Peritoneal dialysis was working well.
भगवान के साक्षी मान करके ये आपका मतलब वरदान है. आप इसको ठीक कर दिए. ये मान के हम लोग भगवान के पास बैठे बैठे जप करते थे.
He started improving to the extent that we could stop dialysis within 24 hours, which never happens.
My specialty is my country's gift to me, all education. What is that I am going to give back to the country? So I can only give this back. This is what I am trained for. For every disease, has got the body, mind, soul, and hope. Body, of course, will correct the disease. mind what are you doing. For the minds of the parents who are worried where to operate, how to do it, the only thing is you come, you do it free.
यहाँ से जाने का मन नहीं लगता, जैसे मंदिर ये सचमुच ही वही बाबा है, जैसे आँख बंद करने से जैसे ये साईं बाबा ही हैं। स्टेप का एकदम बहुत मन को शांति मिलती है।
Next is soul. So soul is needed because we have to pray. Saubhagyam coming up, there is a beautiful place you can meet, like you can sit there while we are doing surgery. The parents can sit there. That is enough.
Another bright star that is emerging to light up the skies over Naya Raipur is Satya Sai Saubhagyam, a center for human development.
The message of love and the life of service was what defined Sri Satya Sai Baba. Sri Satya Sai Saubhagyam is that divine edifice that gives the platform for the furtherance of these great values.
Built on a bedrock of Baba's messages on human values, this magnificent edifice promises to awaken and inspire the minds and spirits of those who come seeking and enable everyone to inquire, to express and evolve to their higher selves.
So the message of Saubhagyam and the message of Sri Satya Sai Baba will remain as love, truth as the essential necessities and values of life.
Sai Saubhagyam is not a destination, but a point of embarkation. From its platform, a beautiful and insightful journey will begin to unravel the true meaning of love all, serve all in the process of human development.